Hello traders, hope you are all doing good, and this is what we are talking about. So last 1 week I've been shouting that FIs are behind something. They are in the selling mode. They are not going to they are not in the buying mode, and see what has happened today. And this is supposed to not happen in expiry day trade. Usually what will happen, expiry day trades are quite calm, or it will be like of range bound. See what is happening for the last 2 or 3 weeks. Expiry date trades are really screwing us all. Fortunately, I didn't take any trade today. I had some positional trades that is manageable, but expiry date trade I didn't take. And what has happened? So that is why I am happy. I'm sorry if you have lost today, because the way, if you have sold call option, you would have made money. Put option, what would have happened. From yesterday's high, which was around 18,060, to today's low around 17,800. Yeah, 800 it touched. Even it went below 800, right? 17,800. So 215 points move on one day or 2 days. From yesterday's high around 130. Yesterday when Nifty shot up around 1:30 in the afternoon, it went, the high was around 18,060. From there it is coming to 17,800 or even below 17,800. So this is called volatility. At the end of the day, FIIs have sold more than, I think, they have sold more than 1,637 crores, and DIIs have bought for around 445 crores. So this is something we cannot manage, right? Or I don't know how to describe these words, because markets are like this. Even though if you consider the previous trading session, this is not a big deal. It is not the big deal in the sense, this is not a big selling. When you compare yesterday, when you compare yesterday, this is nothing. If you see this cash provision, and if you see yesterday around 9th of November, FIIs have sold for 2,445 crores, and yesterday was minimal. They have sold for around 469 crores, and today this is the exchange data. 11th of November, they have sold for 1,637 crores. And they are not going to stop. They are going to keep on selling. This is what I have been telling for the last few days, and people were trolling me. You told people are having big powers. They are going to take the market on the upside. Nothing is going to happen. See what has happened. They made sure today that no bulls are left. They killed every bull in the market. Of course, retail bull. And till this month, November alone, if you see this data, November alone, they have sold for 4,462 crores. Already October, they have sold for 25,572 crores. And this month, till now, around 7 to 8 trading session has finished, they have sold for 4,462 crores. Now, what you are going to do? Are you going to go short the market? And if you think like that, you know what will happen tomorrow. Now you see whatever happened today, even though market Nifty was it was down by 250 points, and you don't have to talk about Bank Nifty. If you are trading Bank Nifty, let me tell you, you go and consult a psychiatrist. So that much is the amount of pressure Bank Nifty will give you. Bank Nifty is down by 600 points, Sensex down by 600 points. Now what do you think it is going to happen? Nothing. Today's market, Nifty is down by 250 points, and Bank Nifty is down by 600 points. But India VIX is low. Now what they will do, retail people will take it either to 18,000. From 18,000 again FIIs will keep on selling. If you play rummy, if you get a joker, you put it in between and you win. That is, we are like jokers. Retailers are like jokers. Whenever they want, they will take and put in and they will sell. That is what is happening here. See what is happening. I've been telling. So we are not, you have to remember, we have to play along with FIIs. Don't try to go against FIIs. Markets are not going to it is not going to work. And yesterday also I told there are significant call rating from 18,000 till 18,200, 300, 400, 18,500. People are writing call option, massive call rating was happening. Yesterday it was only Reliance, and if Reliance was not there, yesterday market would have not shorted up so much. So today Reliance didn't come to rescue. Reliance was really flat, and all these things happened without Reliance. The heavyweight Reliance was not it was not, even though other stocks were, IOC was down by 3.39%, SBI was down by 2.25%, but Reliance was flat. There was not heavy selling in Reliance. And if you see the banking pack, apart from I think IndusInd Bank, all the other stocks in the Bank Nifty pack was down. They hit it very bad. SBI was down, RBL was down, IDFC was down, Kotak was down. Every pack apart from IndusInd Bank, all the stocks in Bank Nifty was really down. So that could be one reason. At least Nifty could recover. It went to 17,800 and came to 17,850, 860 levels. But Bank Nifty very worse. It couldn't even get up. It was so hard. They sold so heavily. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, HDFC, there was not any big selling. So it was a kind of very bearish market, and I'm sure you can decide now. Maybe you can sell calls or even 18,600, and people are telling big numbers. You forget that in the maybe in the short term, 18, even markets are not even going to touch 20,000. See, valuations are very high. Indian valuations are very high, and FIIs don't like this so much high valuation. Actually, if you consider this in a different perspective, this is good for you. You don't think that you have lost money, or market is moving against you, or you cannot predict the market movement. Don't worry about that. So whatever happening is just a healthy thing. You cannot expect the market to move in one direction, right? You have to go up, then come down, then go up, then come down. So in the long run, it is good for you. But in the short term, if you have lost money, you don't worry. You are not single. We are all on the same boat. And losing money in stock market is not a big thing. You can recover the losses. So you don't worry about the losses. Whatever happens, you forget. You don't compare your losses with others, or you don't think that guy is making this much, this guy is making this much. You forget everything. You don't go look at others' profit and loss. They make 10 crores, 12 crores, 50 crores. You forget about that. You concentrate on your trading. You see what you have learned today. That is the thing you have to consider about. You don't compare you with others. So let them do whatever they want. You just be focused and go towards your goal. That is it, right? So this month is kind of a volatile month. Last month was also highly volatile, and this month also highly volatile. If you know, last month, like Nifty was it was up by around only 250 points, but in between it has traveled 1200 or 1400. Same pattern it is following here. Now Nifty is almost flat. It is zero. At the start of November, where it is still there only, but in between it has traveled so violently. It has gone to 18,000, 18,200. So it has gone up and it is coming down. So if you see it in a candlestick perspective, this is clearly showing that trend is reversing and there are no buyers on the upside. When Nifty goes on the upside, there are no buyers to take the market further on the upside. So I will leave it to you whether you decide whether you want to go long or you want to go short in the market. And if you see the FII data, FII data, I am just showing the monthly data, and there is significant call rating in monthly option. Also they have written 18,000 call option. So I cannot show you the weekly data. This is finished. So next week we will see the weekly. Tomorrow we will see the weekly data, what weekly data says. And even in monthly option, people are writing 18,000 straddles, short straddle in Nifty. If you see here, there are equal number of calls and put, so which clearly says that 18,000 short straddle people are writing in Nifty. And if you see the Bank Nifty monthly option also, 39,000 is having the highest OI, that is call OI, which tells us that open interest is at 39,000, resistance is at 39,000 and support is somewhere around 38,000. So this monthly expiry we have exactly 9 trading session, and next week Friday is a holiday, trading holiday. So keeping all this in mind, you just have to see how you can trade or just try to make some money. And when I in the starting of this video I told that India VIX was down. What I did today, I was not into expiry day trade. I have some positional trades, so that was in a minor loss. That is manageable. Positional trades are manageable. We have time, we have theta decay, so that is a different thing. Now what happened today morning when India VIX shot up around 5%, I did some strategies and end of the day it gave me excellent profit. So that is one good thing which happened today. So I thought I will share with you. So nothing much to talk. These are all the things what is happening in the market. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.